Hey friends, it's Miss Withers. Welcome back to Unit 2, Week 3, Day 5, Word Work. Our learning targets for today are students will use strategies to identify prefixes and suffixes, as well as base words to identify word meaning, and students will identify open syllable sounds. So remember, an open syllable ends in a vowel. The vowel sound is long. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So let's take a look at our first example. Reopened, reopened. Well, when I read big words, these are the strategies I can use. I look for the word parts at the beginning of the word or the prefix. Re. I know that re is a prefix. Reopened, just like it says down here. So I'm going to highlight that in blue. Then I want to look for the word parts at the end of the word, or the suffixes. I know that ed is an ending of a word or a suffix. Then I look at the base word, open. So if I'm sounding it out together, reopened, reopened. I know that re means to do again, and I know that ed means it happened in the past. So reopened must have meant to open again. I also want to see if I can identify an open syllable sound, and I see one right away. Re ends in an E, which is a long vowel E, and I'm going to underline it. Reopened, reopened, reopened. I can tell that my first syllable has that open syllable sound. So I highlighted it and underlined it and then highlighted the suffix. Let's look at another example. Reversible. Reversible. Looking for my prefix, I see re again. So I'll highlight that in blue. Ibble. Ibble. I know that is a suffix as well. And verse would be my base word. Reversible. Reversible. I have heard this word before because I have a shirt that is reversible. That shirt I can wear both inside out and right side out. It's reversible. Oh, I also know that I've heard someone use this word before too, like your choices aren't reversible. Your choices aren't reversible. Meaning if you make a choice and do something, you can't take it back that easily. Reversible means you can take it back easily. So if I say not reversible, meaning I couldn't do it again or do it over. Reversible. Now I'm going to try to find a open syllable sound. Reversible. Reversible. That has 4 syllables. And I notice my first syllable has that open syllable sound again because it ends in an E, which is a vowel. And it's the long E sound. Re. Well, this is fabulous. So when you do your independent work time, you are going to make sure that you blue highlight the prefix of each word, red highlight the suffix of each word, and underline one of the open syllable sounds in each word. I'm noticing many of you are forgetting to do this step, underlining part of the word. So in my example, re is the prefix, ed is the suffix, and re is an open syllable sound. See if you can do that for the rest of these. Then you are going to drag the words and put them in the correct spot to complete the sentences. Use context clues and word parts to determine meaning. The 5 words you are picking from are reopened, decompose, eruption, destruction, and evaporation. Let me read you the 5 sentences with the blanks. Number 1, The water in the glass disappeared over time. It must have been undergoing blank. I blank the bag of chips because I put some tape on it to keep it sealed. The old food will blank into the earth and provide nutrients for other living things. The hurricane caused lots of blank. The volcano had not experienced and blank for hundreds of years. After you drag, you'll submit your slides. Good luck.